You know what makes a data-driven company data-driven? Data-driven employees. Not just data scientists, but analysts, executives, and operational workers. If these people can manage data and code in open-source languages like Python, R, and SQL, they'd make better predictions and more data-driven decisions faster. But that's a pipe dream, right? Can you really expect everyone to become more data fluent? To upskill with SQL or Python, to build dashboards for BI, and develop AI algorithms to guide decision-making? You can with DataCamp, the platform that enables everyone to learn and improve their data skills. DataCamp works with the best instructors and industry experts to create data science and analytics courses for every skill level. Unlike other platforms, DataCamp features a modern learning experience with bite-sized videos and hands-on coding exercises, so users learn by doing, which helps them stay engaged. Our mobile app makes it easy for users to hone their skills on the go, with short practice sessions that reinforce what they've learned. And with DataCamp projects, users can tackle real-world problems in a risk-free environment, so they can start applying their new data skills right away. Now, analysts who need to build their SQL or Python skills can create dashboards and perform better analyses. And data scientists can apply their machine learning models to make predictions that drive your organization forward. The future of your company depends on what you do today. Get DataCamp and get everyone prepared for what's next.